So guys, for integration, we're not working on definite integration because definite integration is so easy. We're gonna use like, oh, this button here on the calculator, but we are dealing with what? With non-definite integrations or integration without limits being known. So that's it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, we're going to discuss how to solve integration problems using calculator. So as you can see here, we have 3 different types of questions. Then let's start with the first one. So here, the first step we do is that first make sure to have your calculator on red. So the first thing we do is that we copy this equation right here and we substitute with any value. So let's say we have 3. So this is the equation. I'm going to substitute with pi over 3 instead of x. So this gives 9 over 4, 2.25. I just recorded it here. Alright, so let's just record that this is the value. And the x substitution, we used pi over 3. So what we're going to do is that we're going to make differentiation for each equation. And then like the calculator would ask for substitution for x, then we would substitute with pi over 3. The equation that gives this value 2.25 is going to be the right value. So let's apply it. As I said, I'm going to make differentiation for each equation, but I'll work on the right answer directly to save time, which is A. So here I have 3 over 2 alpha x minus 3 over 4 sine 2x. And then substitution for x, I would substitute with pi over 3. Then answer. So yeah, it gave me same 2.25, the same answer right here. So our right answer is A. So as I mentioned before, you need to differentiate all of these equations and substitute with pi over 3 in the x, and the one that gives you this right answer, 2.25, is going to be the right answer. So let's work on another example. So let's work on this example. As I said, we first need a substitution for x. Choose any value you want, but please stay away from 45, 90, 180, 270, 160. Those are common angles, and they sometimes will give you wrong answers. I mentioned before in the limits or in the derivatives, in the derivatives video, that why they don't work sometimes. So know this. Rather, we're gonna work on uncommon angles like 30, 60, 40. All are good. So in this question, I'll substitute pi over 3 again. So I just type So what did I get here? 0.687. 0.687. So record this value. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to make differentiation for each equation and substitute an x with pi over 3. The one that gives 0.687 will be the right answer. So to save time, we're going to look at the right answer and try it directly. We have shift differentiate. We have 2x minus 4 then. Alright, here we have an absolute value, so we must keep it. How to get it from calculator? As you know, shift HYB. So this gives absolute value. And we have x plus 2 bottom bracket. Yeah. Now he asks for substitution for x. As I said, we're going to substitute with pi over 3. So we substitute with pi over 3. Let's look at the answer. Yes, 0.687, just like 0.687. So in this case, C is our right answer. So now with our last problem in this video, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna substitute in this equation with any value. Let's say pi over 3. So I substitute with pi over 3 in x, and I'm gonna write down the equation right here with substitution. Now let's get the answer. Oh, 3.12. So I just recorded here 3.12. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to make differentiation for all the choices and substitute with x equals pi over 3 in all the equations. Finally, the one that would give you the answer right here, or the value right here, is going to be the right answer. So let's go direct to our right answer, which is D. For differentiation, I have shift differentiate. Right, so I have e power x square. Now, substitution of x, as I said, pi over 3. So yeah, it gives the same value, 3.12. So, and that's it for this video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.